Hey guys, it is Kevin out here on the street. On a Tuesday night, I'm out for a walk. I used to go for a walk every single night of the week, and once my kids would go to bed, and I haven't done that in weeks, maybe a month, maybe more. It's Tuesday night, I'm out here. It feels great. I'm happy to be out for a walk. So here's the deal. I'll be very quick about this. Don't have much memory left on my iPhone. I've made a new Facebook page, and it is about Japan, but it's quite niche, and this is probably only something that will appeal to some of you. But if you're interested in nature, science, the outdoors, more specifically birds, you'll like it. It's called Birds of Kansai, so facebook.com/birds of Kansai. To be honest, I made this for my folks, my parents back in Canada. They're really into bird watching. So growing up in a house of bird watchers, I learned a lot about birds. Those birds aren't here in Japan. As a teacher, I have learned a lot about birds and nature here recently, and insects, so I can teach my students about it, and my children, my son, my daughter, about it, and I've learned a lot myself. So I've got a decent camera now, thanks to the awesome supporters of my channel, my podcast, all the stuff I do. I've got a Nikon D3200 with the zoom lens, so I bring it with me most places I go now, and if I see a cool bird, I take a picture of it, I post the photo on the Birds of Kansai Facebook page, tell you the name of it in English, in Japanese, where I saw it in English and in Japanese, and a little bit more about maybe the weather, the location, stuff like that. Hopefully I'll eventually in time, Japanese bird watchers and birders and nature lovers will come over there too. Links below, down in the description box. Go like it if you're into this kind of thing. Facebook.com/birds of Kansai. All nature stuff about Japan. Later guys.